everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your theme on Robinhood. You can easily change the theme on Robinhood by switching between light mode and dark mode in the app or the website settings. So here is how you do it. First of all, launch open a web browser and type in robinhood.com in the URL box and sign in to the homepage of Robinhood. After you're logged into your account, go ahead and tap on the account button at the top right corner. In the pop-up, click Settings. Under Settings, look for App Appearance button on the left corner. Now under App Appearance, tap on the Theme drop-down. Click on Light or Dark and you'll be able to change the theme of your Robinhood account. So that's how it's easily done. Whether you prefer light or dark mode, switching is simple and makes your trading experience more comfortable. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more beginner-friendly trading guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.